Again and again.
Girl send the request and then you send the request. When the girl send the request, the girl literally I said, Kitty, this is how it go.
Let me tell you something. I realize I cannot get me out of other person. You see all me deal with, let me tell you see all me deal with people on the internet, yeah? I'm going to tell Jaden the same thing. If Jaden fuck me over the same way as some done with him too. Jabba's the same way, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I show them more loyalty and love more than all them show blood clot me loyalty and love. Kitty no say, me I never had in my box with more 5 million girl a class or bring her down. Una have to wait.
So wait.
Una have to blood clot wait.
So how me getting all this or not?
Cause she know say me not had no girl for bring her down in my box. You had me in your box and have 5 different girls on top of me. And you have the girl in my class, me, you don't say nothing. You don't take them down, nothing at all. You have them. Some of us come out of your box and clip my own alive. Kitty, you know more than me? You go like see more than blood clot me.
See I come blood clot talk about. I be about to buy blood clot company because everybody here run up in a now. Everybody here run up in a lion. Because we not clean the car them and say, I don't need to do that.
BADMInd. BADMInd. Who me run up in a? Somebody type in the comment who me run up in a.
No, me run up in a you because you have a video for me.
Listen, who me run up in a over here? Who me run up in a? Who me run up in a, Kitty?
Oh, Varnish.
Ooh.
Oh, Varnish share chat. Varnish share chat.
Who me run up in a? Talk who me run up in a?
If me blood clot tell us on my birthday, and my ear not even blood clot though. I mean if you come sit down with
who me run up in a?
Rank, and on my birthday, so with
You sound like one little bad man, bitch. Here are. You're clean card now. Lion panta palette. And you're not getting none. Go suck your mother.
Again and again.
You're not getting none, bitch.
Again and again.
You sound like a little bad man, bitch.
Again
because
and again.
Hear you? Clean card, lion panta, and you're still not getting none,
yeah.
Bitch.
Again.
You're not getting none.
Again and again.
And anyone see my people, them me and them cool, I'm gonna feel like I want to send them 3, 4, and a dozen. I'm going to do it.
And you're not
you
going
cannot stop it.
And you're not going to do it again. You're not going to do it.
The fuck?
You're not
you
going
ain't
to do
getting
it.
none, bitch.
You're not.
You ain't getting none. And that's the problem. You ain't getting none. I'm glad say you're gone, so I'm not forget nothing. The fuck? You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. Card for clean. You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. And that's just the truth. You ain't getting none, bitch. You ain't getting none. The fuck?
Suck your mother, Kitty.
Yeah, well, like I'm afraid of you. You're not getting none. Come in and I want to wish list blood clad princess. You're not getting any. You sound like a little bad mind, bitch. You talk about clean card and this and that and lion pantapa lion. Who me running now? Who? Me sure never running on you. Who me running now? Who? I mean, I'm peer man over here. Who me running now? Eh? You see me I running at the big rank of them, I send them requests and this and that. No wish list, princess. I don't. Me not friendly like you. You friendly, not me.
You don't already have 2.
You friendly, me not friendly.
You don't already have 2 big ranker, the biggest ranker over here on your team already. You need to worry nobody.
You friendly, me not friendly. Me I have 2 different smarty girl.
From what day I just hold my own in a brother.
Okay, big up.
Me just hold my blood clot.
Me a style her from what day? Who remember she from what day?
You get this and
Kitty.
You get
Kitty,
this and you have to stay this.
Shut up now, Kitty. Jabas, Jaden, and TJ. Ask them. I'm busy making money. I don't have time for you. So who a style you from what day? From what day me no see you. From what day ranking me there. Ranking podium on top of podium. Me no see you.
Yes, darling.
What do you mean by from what day me a style you? What day from when?
That was.
What day from when, Kitty? Me don't even mention you. If you're looking at my blood clot by a right here, so 32 time number 1. Me don't mention you, girl. When?
You're super.
From what day me a style you? Oh. What do you am busy and make money and you me say? ask Jabas, Jaden, and TJ. Nobody else.
Yes.
So if anybody for bring me down, are them.
Yes. I'm sobering about.
Because them know things because I tell them.
Yeah. I'm sobering.
I'm sure them receipt too.
Nah, bring it on, my love.
So I'm busy making it, Kitty. Me not have time for you. So when you come talk about from what you me a style you, me not know you, bitch. Me not see you. Me not see you. Me not see you, Kitty. Me not see you none at all. From what you, I'm busy, mama. From the podium to the next podium, on top of podium, straight about 5 days straight from Friday to the other blood clad Friday. Me not see you, girl.
Are you gonna do it again?
Me not see you none at all.
She mute me. She mute me.
Roll up in a one.
Run up in her.
Yes, Anna said it. No, Anna said it. No,
Anna bless me over here, so I
Anna
appreciate
said
them.
it. No, Anna.
The hype is casting, but not everlasting. No,
But who are I? Jabas.
everybody have a chance over here. So everybody have them blood clot turn.
Chat. Oh my eye pound.
Jabas,
Tell it
the
to
girl,
me.
see the girl I call her name.
Chat. Oh my eye pound. Everybody a talk about eye. My eye. Oh my eye pound. Me do not know. Me not deal with none of the same here. Me not cuss same here. Me not chat. What wanna get this mentality about hype? Which hype? Oh my hype pound. Wanna see change?
What is
More than likely, me not really cuss like that or something. But me not hype. What kind of hype?
What this combo?
Oh, this star.
I don't want to know how the hype, where the hype come from.
Splinter, where's that?
Moderate a black bling.
Bro.
Black bling, moderate a black bling.
Oh, yeah.
Bro,
Oh,
all me do a girl and show love to everybody. That's all me do.
I need to stop that.
That's all me do. Me ain't no friend, me ain't no chat. So me mostly go so boom, me will go over Caviar and send her one lion. What you was Shana birthday, me send her one. Me go over Jabas. Me go over Jaden. Where me go?
See there, you talk about the thing that we do.
Which friend? Which people me a run up in a? Who you talking about?
Anna, better than that, no?
Who you talking about? Which friend?
Where you get a style, Jordan?
Which friend you talking about,
What's
girl?
that?
You depend me a shit me a clean can and me a send out pic. I'ma send Candy one lion also. And also send her something for her birthday. Because Kitty have to understand when God bless you certain
you should have
way,
give Kitty
you
one
help
door.
out where you
You should
can.
have give Kitty one door, Shay, man. Oh, God, man. Me understand why Kitty feels. Me understand why Kitty feels. You should give her
God
one
a
door.
bless me, Kitty, so me just a bless the people them.
Right, well, we
With
are
a
friends.
willing heart, mama.
Well, we are
Not even
friends.
trying to look anything from nobody.
You get it?
Yeah?
Well, we are
Anything me
friends.
send my
You should
friend
have give Kitty one
them,
door,
willing
man.
heart. Me no want it back.
Who?
You talk about clean card. Clean card. All of a sudden people are clean card. Wow.
You get it?
All of a sudden, oh, you hype, you this,
Really,
you that.
book your
Hype with
admin.
what?
Eh?
Book your admin.
No, not add him over here. Not add him over here.
Already. When I done, she's a big pussy girl over there, so now you hear her argument go, but run up in it. Rabia, now she don't hear the argument going up, but she run up in it, and my sister gone over there to that.
Kitty, you can't class me and tell me some pussy big because the last time I check, your baby father left you for your next man. The last time I check, your baby father left you for your next man. So you can't class me some pussy
Why the
big.
fuck you not DM
If
the
you
people
hold
them
the
dirty
blood
shit
clot
house,
tight
bloody
and
dirty-
clean, your baby father
can't
could
cuss.
go to bottom. So you cannot class me and tell me say big pussy girl because at the end of the day, your baby father left you with your car, with your TikTok money buy, and run will leave you to our next man with the car. So you can't say me some pussy big darling. Come in now go tell us your pussy big because I don't know nothing about you. The last time I check, your own baby father, your money what you use pan TikTok and make, buy a car and him take that car and giddy up. Left you for your next man. So, what you mean? What you mean?
Suck it.
Me say what me say already. And Rabia come clear it. Your sister did came and clear it and said, no, I saw it go share rare cause me did I say, you sell out people for one bag. But when she come and she say whatever, me say, okay. And it done. See over there beat up yourself and go like somebody a beat you. Me say what me see already. Who a go beat me?
I cut off my blood clot life. And tell us I'm not play with blood clot destiny. You come go on, boy. You don't want a friend like your post.
So destiny your problem. Through me come past screen destiny, girl, me don't talk to you long time because I know what was my aim.
Suck your mama, girl. Hey, girl, ramp with me. You come go like your portion of bumbo clot, girl.
So you a portion of girl?
I'm my blood clot.
So you a portion of girl? How are this right?
Jamaica, me a whole blood clot money.
Yeah.
I'm in a club me used to work in a Suckwood. Ramp with me. You come go like your blood clot portion of girl.
And where you get that strength, yeah?
Abide.
Everybody bring you down, I'ma pick up your argument.
You just buy 2 pieces of furniture and buy 2 pieces of things and put 2 little money in a 2 little account. No ramp with me with work. So could no ramp with me. Blood clot, you go like your mama for blood clot people. You go like your bull up and up a conqueror.
Bad mind.
A long time you do house furniture.
Bad mind.
You do blood clotting.
Bad mind. Blocky.
Blood clotting and what else?
Blocky. Wishlist princess. Blocky. Wishlist princess.
This is not the kitty I know.
You're not me. You did have so.
Wishlist princess. Blocky. You don't know nothing about my pussy.
I have nothing. Nothing me never have.
Oh, me have strength for. Oh. But when the girl them bring down blood clot you up on this year, and you ball, I'ma pick up your argument them for my blood clot head. And so you come you, and me have strength for, and me have secret for Kitty. Oh, this sound personal. And me have strength for.
Maybe she have a bad day.
And me have strength for Kitty. Listen to me now. I would even deal with you like how I really want to do with you.
Maybe she have a bad day. Maybe she's having a bad day.
And me have strength for.
This is
Maybe
not
she
the
have a
kitty
bad
I know.
Licky clitty, licky shitty. And me have strength for. Oh.
Maybe she have a bad day.
And me have strength for. Me never see have them strength here for nobody else on the blood clot internet.
Maybe she have a bad day.
And me have strength for.
Maybe she have a bad day.
Okay.
Maybe
You have secret for me, Kitty? Talk your secret.
I'm saying what's your real talk. And them say I'm a friend. One part time my friend to Kitty. And we are them deal with up on TikTok and active like you know them type of girl there. You know them type of girl if you make people deal with you so. You know them type of girl if you make people deal with you so. You know them type of girl if you make people deal with you so.